difficult at first since none of us experienced the situations, but thanks to our resilience and persistence, we were able to do it.
Our motto in this situation was, time doesn't change us, but changes time.
The door open invitations means for us new experiences,
better future, new skills,
to be patient,
appreciate time,
improvement,
confidence in ourselves,
controlling ourselves,
New friends,
productivity,
communication and leadership, ability to take risks,
unique mindset.
We take advantage of current simple conditions to find new ways of communication, even if it might sound paradoxical. This event is Fun Ladder at home, education and happiness. It is knowledge and common victories.